In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create follow-up tasks on record activities in Hubspot. If you're using HubSpot to manage your customer relationships, having a system for follow-up tasks is essential to ensure no lead slips through the cracks. This concise tutorial will take you through the seamless process of setting up those follow-up tasks, and we'll do it all in just about 5 minutes. First off, let's head over to the HubSpot website, your go-to place for a comprehensive suite of business tools. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one to follow along efficiently in this session. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can access various features of the platform. Next, navigate to the CRM section. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of HubSpot, where all the magic happens in managing your customer data effectively. Click on CRM to go further. Once you're in the CRM section, locate the Contacts option. Contacts are central to your CRM. They're essentially the lifeblood of your customer's database. Click on Contacts to view the list of all your current contacts. Now you'll want to select a specific contact to whom you'd like to assign a follow-up task, scroll through your list, or use the search bar to quickly find the contact you're focusing on. Click on the contact's name and this will direct you to that contact's detailed profile page. After opening the contact's profile, look for the communication records within the profile. You'll find an option labeled Email. Clicking on Email will show any email interactions linked with this contact. This becomes particularly useful for tracking and managing previous interactions, aiding consistency in your follow-ups. Next, hover over the interaction you'd like to follow up on. You'll notice a selection visible near the interaction that invites you to create a task to follow up. Click on it. This action will open a task creation window where you can enter all the necessary details like the task name, due date, priority, and any other specifics relevant to your follow-up. After filling in the details, simply save your task. It's now scheduled in your CRM system, ensuring you're reminded to reconnect with the contact. This cycle of effectively creating and managing follow-up tasks will significantly enhance your customer engagement strategy, keeping your relationship strong and ensuring timely communication. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to create follow-up tasks directly from your records in HubSpot. With these steps, you can maintain a more organized and productive workflow, ensuring you never miss an important follow-up again. Thanks for watching and happy CRM managing.